All right, good morning, Coach Micheal Burt, 7:46 on Friday morning. Finish Friday, folks. Finish Friday. It's also the last day of the month, right? What is it, September 30th or whatever day it is? It's here at the end of the month, guys. So I want to get you across the finish line, and I just want to come to you just for a few minutes. We've had people at our lodge all week this week, and it's been incredible. People coming to the lodge from all parts of the country, working on marketing and branding and how to play at a higher frequency. Today I'm going to talk about how to get things done. And you're going to be surprised at what I tell you, Sean Puckett, about how to get things done. See, a lot of people have prey drive. They got initiative. They believe that the way to get something done is just by getting up and doing it and pushing it, and that is true. But the real way to get things done is to have a high status and to be a person of interest so that you can pick up the phone, David Speck, and make a phone call and something gets into motion. Okay? It has to do with the respect level that people have for you, the regard that people have for you. Good morning, Joseph. It has to have with how people view you and see you and respect you. And what do they respect? They may respect your hustle. They may respect your results. They may respect your brand. They may respect who you are as a person. So when you're thinking about if you're having a hard time getting things done, having a hard time making sales, having a hard time, good morning, Daniel, having a hard time getting people to take you serious, having a hard time to get other people to buy in. They don't buy into the message until they buy into the messenger. So yesterday was an example of something that needed to get done. Derek Fossey, Belinda Aird, or something needed to get done. I said, man, let me make a personal phone call, Emmanuel. And I made a personal phone call. Boom. Guy said, yes, I'll do it. Let me tell you why I haven't done it. Let me tell you the hold up right here. So a lot of getting things done comes back to who you are as a person. And if people see you as a legitimate player, as a person of interest, as a person of high integrity, as a person that has knowledge, skill, desire, and confidence, at the end of the day, we can sum it up into a brand. You are a brand. You're trusted. You're reliable. You show up. You grow up, you deliver, you don't whine, you don't complain, you don't make excuses, and you always over-deliver on value. You always over-deliver on value. Sullivan used to say, referability habits is show up on time, you do what you said you're going to do, you say please, and you say thank you. So, Bradley and I are doing how to build a 9-figure brand. A lot of building a 9-figure brand has to do with one thing. You have something of value. Other people would like to associate with that value. You have something of value. Other people would like to associate that value. So on October 14th and 15th, this is coming up literally in just a few weeks. Brad Lee, founder of Lightspeed, founder of Real Financial, founder of Real Solar, founder of Real Merchant Services, has built 3 9-figure brands. He's going to be at my lodge. We're going to be talking about how do you build a personal brand. And I'm going to do a whole session on just how do you personally become a person of interest that other people trust. They trust your brand, okay? And it's hard to quantify this, but when they trust your brand, they know that you're going to be there. They know that you're going to show up. They know that you're going to deliver value. And ultimately, in a world of crazy busyness, this is how you get things done. It's not through grinding. It's through other people, okay? And when you can reach out to other people and they go, boom, done, boom, consider it done, boom. See, people reach out to me all the time that have not delivered any value. They say, Coach, will you do this? Coach, will you promote my new book? Coach, will you do this? And I'm like, man, I don't even know you. You've never come around. You've never created any value. I don't know what your brand is. I don't know, right? They got it backward. They got the cart before the horse, so that they say, right? And so if you're out there and you're watching this and you're like, man, I need to build a personal brand. The way to build that personal brand is to be there with me and Bradley October 14th and 15th. We're going to show you step by step how to build an 8 and 9-figure brand. Okay? And we'll walk through the mechanics of person of interest. We'll walk through the mechanics of of what a brand is. We'll walk through the mechanics of how to market. We'll walk through the mechanics of all of these things. It's going to be really powerful. Just go to the website. We'll post a link. Coach Burt, Bradley, how to build a 9-figure brand. And I'm telling you, if you really understand how to do this, this is where the big money is, folks. Okay, so I'm Coach Burt. I'm headed out to the lodge. You guys have a great day. God bless you. Everybody needs a coach in life. Thank you for watching me, man. Thank you for letting me be your coach. Being a monster is about taking your purpose and distributing it to the world in a very, very high level.
What do you want people to say about your business? What do you want to be known as in 5 years?
And your journey as an entrepreneur is not to achieve this or that. Your journey as an entrepreneur is to become this or that. Because in life, you get who you are.
The more relationships you get, the more money you get. Then the more money you get, the more relationships you get. It just keeps going back and forth. You guys want to surround yourself with high net worth individuals and you will eventually become one. Why? Because of the relationship.
Today, some of you are going to take some action that is going to propel you into the future so much that you don't recognize the person you look forward to later.
If you don't build your dreams, somebody is going to hire you to build theirs.
How many times have you failed? Fail again. Who cares? Just keep failing. Keep failing. You only have to be right one time.
People are counting on you to show up. They're counting on you to grow up. They're counting on you to deliver. They're counting on you to be the best you can be for you. Because if you ain't the best for you, you ain't going to be the best for anybody else, folks.